Good afternoon, children. Today I'm going to start with the practice book, lesson number 6, Linkers. Before we start the lesson, let us know what is the meaning of the word linkers. Link. Link means to join. Here in this lesson, we learn how to join two words or sentences or two sentences and phrases. Worksheet 1. Read the following extract from a science newspaper and tick the correct option. What you hear is what you see. The phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. Here we have to select one option and or is given. Out of that, and is the correct answer. You can hear the voice of the speaker and but can you see what the speaker looks like? So correct option is but. Well, maybe. So when you speak up, be careful. If or because is the right answer. Your voice may also convey information about your life. When is the right answer. Scientists asked volunteers to listen to the recording of people and but. So but is the correct answer. Write the voices. They rate the voices they found. So that and so is the option given here. So that is the correct answer. That the voice rated highest belonged to people having more active lives. Scientists feel because and that the option is given. So that is the correct answer here. A voice instantly conveys basic information about the gender and age. Although and two options are given here and is although is the correct answer. If it may although it may not be true in all the cases. Voices of extrovert. Underline the word extrovert and write on the meaning. The people who are confident enough. Those who have the habit of talking with others very frankly. They are known as extrovert people. Conveyed much more information about them. Then and that is the option given here. So then is the correct answer. The voices of people who were introvert. Underline the word introvert and write down the meaning. Introvert means the people who rarely talk or who rarely express their ideas and views with others. So they are a reserved type of people. So let us read the exercise once more with the correct options. The phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. You can hear the voice of the speaker, but can you see what the speaker looks like? Well, maybe. So, when you speak up, be careful because your voice may also convey information about your life. When scientists asked volunteers to listen to the recording of the people and rate the voices, they found that the voices rated highest belonged to people having more active lives. Scientists feel that our voice instantly conveys basic information about the gender and age. Although it may not be true in all cases. Voices of extrovert people convey conveyed much more information about them than the voices of people who were introvert. Note, all the words given in bold are linkers. Whatever options we have filled here in the bold letter which is given, they are the linkers. Linkers are words that connect two sentences or clauses. Example, the phone rings and and you listen to the voice on the other side. The phone rings is a sentence and is a linker here. You listen to the voice on the other side. It is also a sentence. Now read the following sentences. Learn the answer and write them in your notebook. Second, Mohit is slow, but he is a hardworking child. I was absent because I was ill. Note that linkers perform different functions. In sentence 1, the linkers and joins two independent statements. In sentence 2, but join two independent statements of contrasting ideas. Contrasting ideas means opposite ideas. In sentence 3, because joins the subordinate clause with the main clause. Here, subordinate clause means dependent clause. Remember, linkers are classified into two broad categories: coordinating linkers and subordinating linkers. Coordinating linkers are and, but, or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, etc. Subordinating linkers because, although, after, if, since, while, so that, as, etc. Now, worksheet 2. Given below is a checklist of likes and dislikes of Pooja and Vineet. Read carefully and write about their likes and dislikes using the following linkers. Two examples have been done for you. Neither, nor, both, and, but. These are the linkers you have to use. Here a list is given of likes and dislikes. Here in this column belongs to Pooja and Vineet. Now first, reading magazines. Both tick mark is given. That means both of them like reading magazine. So both Pooja and Vineet like reading magazine. Watching TV. Pooja, a tick mark is given, whereas in Vineet's column there is a cross mark. So Pooja likes watching TV, but Vineet does not. Same way for shopping. Pooja likes. There is a tick mark given in Pooja's column and a cross is given in Vineet's column. So, Pooja likes shopping, whereas Vineet does not. Like this, you have to complete the rest of the exercise. Now, remember, coordinating linkers are and, as well as, not only but also, yet, still, but, neither nor, either or. These linkers join independent sentences in three ways. Coordinating linkers merely add one statement to another, and Both will be the independent statement. They don't need any other word to complete their meaning. And two statement of contrasting idea. But so here contrasting idea, as I told, that to opposite idea. Next is add two statement expressing choices. Here two choices will be given, for that or is used. Now worksheet 3. Read the following sentences. You will get a trophy if you win. Do not come out of the classroom before the bell rings. I have to go because my mother is waiting for me. The above sentences contain two clauses, one main clause and one subordinate clause. So here in sentence 1, you will get a trophy is the main clause and if you win is the subordinate clause. Remember, the linkers that join the main and the subordinate clause are called subordinate linkers. Example, you will get a trophy is the main clause. If is a subordinating linker, then you win subordinate clause. Subordinating linkers can be classified into 9 parts according to their usage. Subordinating linkers. Time, linker of time, linker of place, linker of cause and reason, comparison, purpose, result, condition, manner, concession. Now what comes under linker of time? Before, till, since, after, when, as. Linker of place, when, where, etc. Linker of cause or reason, because, as, since. Comparison, than, whereas, such as. Linker of purpose, that, so that. Linker of result, that, so that. Linker of condition, if, unless. Now, linker of manner, as if. Linker of concession, although, even if. Now, worksheet 4. Join the following sentences using the linkers specified in the box against each sentence. One has been done for you. The rain was over. The sun shone brightly. Linker of time. The sun shone brightly after the rain was over. Here the second part of the sentence will come first and a linker will be added and then the first part will go at the back. Second, the teacher was not in the staff room. I came back. You have to use linker of reason here. I came back because the teacher was not in the staff room. Third, Manan will visit their house. He wants to discuss his problem with them. You have to use linker of purpose here. Manan will visit their house so that he discusses his problem with them. Fourth, he did not fare well in the examination. He was given the job. Linker of concession. So, although he did not fare well in the examination, he was given the job. Or you can write, he was given the job although he did not fare well in the examination. Fifth, complete your work. You cannot leave for your home. Linker of time. You cannot leave for your home till you complete your classwork. Sixth, Rajat is quick in solving maths question. Tarun is quicker. You have to use comparison, linker of comparison here. So, Rajat is quick in solving maths question, but whereas Rajat is quick in solving maths question, whereas Tarun is quicker. Seventh, Ajay is strict vegetarian. He will have serious problem in China. Ajay Ajay will have serious problem in China if he is a strict vegetarian. Now, eighth, attempt the first question, move on to the second. So, you have to use linker of time here. Attempt the first question. Attempt the first question before you move on to the second. Now, ninth one is he started late. He finished first. You have to use linker of conversation. He finished first, although he started late. This is all about worksheet 4. Now we'll come to worksheet 5. Given below are some measures suggested for the development of rural areas. Fill in the blank with suitable linkers to understand their full meaning and significance. First, although illiteracy is the root cause of people's ignorance of their rights, we should lay more stress on making them literate. So, here a blank was given before illiteracy. What we have filled here? We have filled the word linker although in this. It means it is a linker of concession. Now here again next second one is dash. Most of the rural areas do not have electricity. So although most of the rural areas do have electricity, but very few of them have enough electrical equipment to utilize it. More TV sets and computers should be installed in the Panchayat hall for better general awareness. So, children, this is all about the chapter linkers. Next to blank, you do it for homework and do it yourself has to be done for as homework. Now, worksheet 7. In each of the sentences given below, some word is or are missing. Put a slash where the word or words are missing. Find appropriate word or words from the box below and write it or them in the blank. The options are even, that, order, as, if, as well, soon as, condition, so. First sentence, the circular was distributed. There will be a slash here. So that the student might know the vacation schedule. So the sentence is the curricular circular was distributed so that the students might know the vacation schedule. Now second sentence. Do not lie. Even the world is against you. Do not lie even. You have to put a slash after even. The correct answer that you fill is if. He saved a rupee daily so he could have something in time of need. He saved a rupee daily so after so there will be a slash. And what is the linker that has to be inserted there is that. He could have something in time of need. So, the correct sentence, he saved a rupee daily so that he could have something in time of need. Fourth, Smriti stood if she were a statue. Now, Smriti stood, put a slash after as if. The linker is as if, you have to use as if she were a statue. Now full sentence. Smriti stood as if she were a statue. Now fifth sentence. The student stood up as the teacher arrived in the class. The student stood up as. There will be slash after as. You have to insert soon as. The teacher arrived in the class. Now the full sentence. The student stood up as soon as the teacher arrived in the class. Now sixth, the president as the prime minister was present in the function. The president as, there will be a slash after as. The linker we have to use is as well as. So you have to insert well as. The prime minister was present in the function. The full sentence now. The president as well as the prime minister was present in the function. Now seventh. You will get this job on that you shall work even 7 days a week. You will get this job on. You have to insert condition. The word condition has to be inserted and put a slash after on. That you shall work 7 days a week. Now full sentence. You will get this job on condition that you shall work 7 days a week. Now eighth. There is no harm in apologizing to the elders if you are not at a fault. So, there is no harm in apologizing to the teacher. You have to put a slash here after elders. So, what has to be inserted here? Even if you are not at fault. So, the correct sentence is there is no harm in apologizing to the elders even if you are not at fault. Note all the words in the box when joined with the expression in the sentences form compound linkers. These are known as compound linkers. Example, so that, in order that, as though, even if, in order to. All these are the linkers. Compound. They are known as compound linkers. By this we have come to the end of this chapter and worksheet. Do it yourself. You have to do it as homework.